Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Surabhi and today's busy book is for my 6-year-old. It's comparatively a very easy busy book for my girl. The only complicated part is the statement questions because we are working on reading and I'm trying to add reading wherever possible because she will not even touch a book. So yes, and more is about when I see P1, P2 books, all are statement based. So though she knows her basic addition subtraction, she has to infer the information from the statements. So we are trying to practice little reading and building that confidence of inferring the information from the statement questions. Again, these are questions I've asked her, orally, just in play mode, and I have seen she could do this addition and subtraction easily. Again, the question is, can she read and without getting overwhelmed, can she process this information? That's a challenge for us. First question. There are 50 candies in A, B, C. How many candies in B? So 11 plus 30, 41, and 50 minus 41, 9. I want her to read and tell me what is. So I have tried to do visually here so that it makes life easy for her. So, but let's see. This doesn't have visual, it's a simple thing. There are 11 kids. There are 5 chairs. How many more chairs do we need? So it's more or less question, but it's more of a processing question. In real life, this problem has happened. How will she deal with it? So first thing, I want her to read, help her what she can read, and then I'm very sure she doesn't get it. She will not get it. And again, I'll reiterate the question, maybe show her with fingers or the concept basis. And then I hope she will be able to do it. Again, the problem wise, they are very, very simple. But my intention is inference. Can she infer the information from the sentence? Very simple addition 8 plus 7 plus 9 because statement questions were very heavy. So I had to keep it very easy for her. 12, which two numbers can make 12? She did it before and I know she can do it. This is a pattern. Again, it's a skip counting. These are only skip counting by 2, 3 and 5, which is really good at. With when it goes to 4, she goofs up, so I have kept it very, very simple for her. Just practice simple writing, and because BB, she writes 5 reverse, sometimes she writes 42 rather than 24. So just simple, we need this kind of simple practice just for a routine practice, because we don't do any of the school works in this busy book per day. So yeah, we are practicing all that. So the questions might be repetitive, but we still need to practice. It's a visual pattern like 1 circle, 3 circles, 5 circle. She had to draw 7 circles. Here they are. She has to figure out the pattern. I have done 7 hearts, then 5. It has to be 3, and it has to be 1, and there'll be no hearts. So I will see, can she infer the pattern with just a pictures, easy one. Um, Multiply. So again, we have done multiplication with fingers. We have done these questions orally, but will she be able to read? Will she be able to infer? That's intention. Question is very simple. And again, see, I have not written long sentences. I know she gets scared reading, so very to the point. 4 boys. Each boy has 2 balls. How many balls? 2 birds. Each bird lay 3 eggs. How many eggs? And these questions can be done with fingers. So keeping it very simple, just focusing on reading and inference here. This one again, simple subtraction questions. 12 minus what is equal to 9, 6 minus what is equal to 2. We need to keep practicing these ones because yes, we need practice. Here is again, I have written a a sequence of numbers and alphabets. Practice is reading before and after. Again, before she knows how to read B and she needs how to read 4, but when they're coming together, she's goofing up this word. After, she reads after. So yeah, all these are sight words. So 5 is between dash and dash, A and X. Y is before. Y is before Z. And B is after. B is after 12. We have to practice the simple reading. That's it. This is a little complicated for her because we have done a lot of easy stuff here. I want to challenge her with more, like 13 more than 6 ones. Tens and ones is something I want them to get very comfortable with, because that's I'm using in addition and subtraction with my elder one when I do 3 digit, 4 digit with her. So my little one is still not comfortable with tens and ones. So again, along with the statement questions, I'm going to add this ones and tens as much as possible in our maths, because she still needs to work on them. So like two tens more than five ones, so it's basically 25. But two tens, 20 more than five ones. So what is 20 more than five? Uh, so more or less practice, but like adding tens and ones here just to keep her confused and force her thinking in terms of tens and ones. That's my way of teaching. So hope you enjoyed this busy book, and see you later. Bye bye.